Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol I. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going forward. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the big dynamic that occurred today is that the price ultimately was not able to hold above a level that had become very significant, and that was this area right here at $3.40. I mean, you go through the history of things, you can see support, 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 and then you factor in right there. Price did a great job for late morning holding that support, but then unfortunately the price ultimately did break down below there, and that's what opened up the floodgates to cause it to continue to fall further and further. And I go through all that because that now becomes a very important level from the resistance side of things. And this is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So my point is, if there is any sort of bounce, not necessarily just on Thursday, but in the foreseeable future, that first key level now is going to be up there at $3.40. So watch that very closely. Like I said, again, not necessarily just on Thursday, but in the next several days, if the bulls are able to create some sort of bounce for themselves. Now, what about levels of support? Well, at this point now, the chart is once again entering into some territory that is not seen for a few weeks now, and the next key overarching level of support is down here at these lows at $2.93. And this is going to be one of those levels that a whole lot of people are going to be watching. So this is not some sort of great discovery on my part. You go back through the history of things, and you can see that this is a level with a big track record. So when a lot of people are watching the same level and wondering the same things, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very dynamic movements, and that's what we have down here right around the green line. So we'll see if the price can actually build up enough bearish momentum to get down there. Right now it's looking like it's a very likely thing to happen, but no such thing as a guarantee. So we'll see how the next several days play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.